This is the AutoEDU six-cylinder diesel truck engine cutaway model, based on the Iveco cursor engine. Depending on the configuration, the engine can feature a displacement of approximately 7.8 to 10.3 liters and a power output between 310 and 450 horsepower. The engine is sectioned to expose all key internal systems, including the fuel injection, lubrication, and water cooling circuits. Color-coded cutaway zones help clearly identify each component and understand its function within the system. Driven by a 220-volt electric motor running at a reduced and safe speed, this model accurately simulates engine motion. Students can observe the operation of the pistons, valves, crankshaft, camshaft, and turbocharger in real time. The electronically controlled pump injectors demonstrate precise diesel fuel delivery, while the water cooling and turbo compression systems highlight modern engine efficiency principles. Mounted on a mobile stand, the trainer is ideal for classroom and workshop demonstrations, allowing clear visualization of mechanical processes and easy student access. This Iveco diesel engine cutaway offers a complete, hands-on experience to study four-stroke diesel operation, system interaction, and diagnostic principles, an essential tool for advanced automotive training.